How's it going, guys? This is Holly with Grindworx, and today we are talking about this new steel will knife. Steel will is a US-based company offering modern production knives for EDC and outdoor use. They tend to be medium to large designs, with even the smallest models tending to have sort of, chunky handles and wide blades. It's a good budget brand with knives in the $30 to $100 range, with a rare few going over that $100 mark, but generally good budget brand. And as you know, budget knives are our favorite on Grindworx. So new to Grindworx, this steel will Barghest G10 folding knife. Now, I looked it up. If you didn't know, a Barghest apparently is some kind of mythical dog, monster, scary creature thing. Fangs, claws, the whole bit, from northern England or thereabouts. So I'm guessing that was the inspiration for this design. We've got 8.39 inches in total length with a 3.5 inch blade and D2 steel and a drop point style. Flat grind, black stonewash finish with thumb stud and flipper openers. As I said, it has G10 handle scales with stainless steel liners, 5.37 ounces, so sort of a middling weight, with a tip-up deep carried pocket clip that is reversible, along with a lanyard hole. It definitely comes across as, sort of a hard use folder due to its size and just overall design. It's got very grippy G10 and very liberal milling along the handle here. Sort of a basic handle shape and standard contouring that all make for a good grip. Your hand locks in there pretty darn well. I like how the contouring and the flipper sort of create a guard there for your index finger. We've got a little bit of jimping there, a lot of texture on that back spacer. The action is reasonably smooth. Not the smoothest I've felt, but it's pretty good for something this size and in this price range. Feels to me like it's probably washers rather than ball bearings in there, but I couldn't say for sure without opening it up. The fit and finish is great. If you look here, the centering is spot on there. So overall, it seems to me like it's a good quality knife. I'm not entirely sure whether the $70 price tag is justified, but it seems like it's solid. I like that it has that D2 steel rather than 8CR. 8CR used to be the budget steel that you saw most, and you certainly still see it a lot. You see it a lot in CRKT knives and a lot of the other budget brands out there. But D2 steel is more and more kind of becoming the new budget steel, and it's nice to have something that's a little step up, but nothing that's going to drive that price up, scary high. I'll admit, this is not my favorite knife. It's probably because, unless you throw something completely ridiculous and just gaudy and disgusting at me, my style is leaning more and more towards, slender, minimalist designs rather than the beefy and tactical. But that's just me. So I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Are you a steel will fan? Which of their knives is your favorite? Because they are brand new to me. This is kind of my first introduction to them, and I'd say, based on this knife, it's a good brand. I'd say it's a good one to go with if you're looking for something that's good quality, good build, good fit and finish, but is in still, pretty affordable range. But let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when a new video drops. I'll make sure I drop a link to this in the description below. And keep an eye out on Grindworx.com. This is the first steel will knife we have on Grindworx, but I guarantee you there will be more to come in the future. So make sure you visit the site and see what we've got going on there. The best advice I can give you is to join the email list so that every time there's something new or we have a deal going on, it comes straight to your inbox. And you can be Johnny on the spot. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time.